Well, time now for some business news. And as scheduled, US President Donald Trump's doubling of tariffs on goods from India to as much as 50% took effect as scheduled today. The doubling from 25% has created real confusion and dismay in India. We're joined now by Nivedita Kumari in New Delhi. Nivedita, thanks for being with us. What does all this mean for India and ordinary Indians?
Oh, it's definitely a bitter moment and a blow to India-US partnership, which has been built over decades with this brutal 50% tariff on Indian goods imported to the US. And it's in short term going to hugely impact the Indian economy. And in the sectors which are in the direct line of fire are the labor-intensive sectors like apparel, textile, furniture, shrimp, and other sectors among the first, which will take a 50% tariff hit. And exporter estimates that goods worth $47 billion are going to be immediately affected. Remember, in 2024, the US was India's largest trading partner with bilateral trade worth $129 billion. And for now, some sectors have been exempted from this harsh 50% tariff. Sectors like iron, steel, pharmaceuticals, consumer electronics like iPhones. In 2025 second quarter, most iPhones sold in the US were made in India. So these sectors will be exempted from this 50% tariff for now, but they will be separately covered under sector-wise tariffs. And for economists and international relations experts, they see this as akin to a sanction on trade on any country, something no one saw coming, given the warm relations between the US President Donald Trump and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in recent years. So for now, Narendra Modi has not directly commented on this tariff, but has repeatedly urged Indians to use and promote made in India products. And from New Delhi, it hasn't announced any counter tariff, and neither has it said that it will halt the purchase of Russian oil, which is at the heart of this trade war. So these sanctions, which the New Delhi has called unfair, unjustified and unreasonable, is definitely going to inflame the US-Indian ties until both sides find a new way to start and renew their trade negotiations.
OK, thanks for that, Nivedita. Nivedita Kumari there talking to us.